In this video, I will help you find the best headphones for iPad in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have AirPods Pro, best for great sound. When it comes to experiencing exceptional sound quality on your iPad, the AirPods Pro stand out as the top choice. These wireless earbuds offer active noise cancellation, transparency modes, and the convenience of the H1 chip for seamless pairing. The sound is crisp, immersive, and balanced, perfect for enjoying music, movies, or calls on your iPad. With the AirPods Pro snug in my ears, I can escape into a world of rich audio, where every note is clear and every beat resonates beautifully. The active noise cancellation feature blocks out external distractions, allowing me to focus solely on the music or content playing on my iPad. Additionally, the transparency mode lets me tune into my surroundings when needed without having to remove the earbuds. Whether I'm relaxing at home, commuting, or working on the go, the AirPods Pro elevate my iPad experience with their superior sound quality and advanced features. They're a perfect companion for anyone seeking top-notch audio performance from their iPad. At number 4, we have JLab Neon Folding On-Ear Headphones, best for budget sound. As I switch focus from the premium sound quality of AirPods Pro, the JLab Neon Folding On-Ear Headphones emerge as a top choice for budget-friendly audio experiences on your iPad. These headphones offer a great balance between affordability and sound performance. The on-ear design provides comfort for extended listening sessions, while the folding feature enhances portability, making them ideal for on-the-go use with your iPad. The JLab Neon headphones deliver impressive audio quality with crisp highs and a decent bass response, ensuring an enjoyable listening experience across various genres of music and multimedia content. Additionally, the inline microphone enables hands-free calls, adding to the versatility of these headphones. With a stylish design and reliable performance, the JLab Neon Folding On-Ear headphones are a solid option for those seeking quality sound without breaking the bank when using their iPad. At number 3, we have Belkin headphones, best for Lightning connection. Belkin's Lightning Connection headphones offer a seamless audio experience tailored for iPad users. The convenience of the Lightning connection means no need for adapters or extra cords, ensuring a hassle-free listening experience. These headphones provide crisp, clear sound quality that enhances music, videos, and calls on your iPad. With a sleek design and comfortable fit, they're perfect for on-the-go use or extended listening sessions. The inline mic control allows for easy access to calls and voice commands without having to reach for your iPad. The tangle-free cord design adds to the overall user-friendly experience, making these headphones a practical choice for everyday use. Additionally, the multiple ear tip sizes ensure a customized and secure fit for optimal comfort and sound isolation. At number 2, we have Moshi Mithro headphones, best for USB-C connection. Pivoting from our discussion on Lightning connection headphones, the Moshi Mithro headphones stand out as an exceptional choice for iPad users due to their seamless USB-C compatibility and high-resolution audio capabilities. When I plugged these sleek headphones into my iPad's USB-C port, I was immediately impressed by the rich, detailed sound they delivered. Whether I was listening to my favorite music, watching movies, or taking calls, the audio quality was crystal clear, making my iPad experience truly immersive. What sets the Moshi Mithro headphones apart is their ability to reproduce music with incredible accuracy, thanks to their high-resolution audio support. The inline microphone also ensures that my voice comes through crisp and clear during calls or voice commands. The lightweight design and comfortable ear tips make them perfect for long listening sessions without any discomfort. Overall, if you're looking for headphones that excel in both USB-C compatibility and audio performance, the Moshi Mithro headphones are an excellent choice for enhancing your iPad experience. At number 1, we have AirPods Max, best for Max iPad sound. Unleash the full potential of your iPad sound with the remarkable AirPods Max headphones. As soon as I put them on, the world around me fades away, and I'm immersed in a rich audio experience that elevates every sound. The custom-designed driver delivers crisp highs, deep lows, and a wide soundstage that brings music, movies, and games to life on my iPad like never before. With active noise cancellation, the AirPods Max block out external distractions, allowing me to focus solely on the audio pouring into my ears. The adaptive EQ adjusts the sound in real time, ensuring that every note is heard with clarity and precision. Whether I'm listening to my favorite playlist, watching a movie, or taking a call, the AirPods Max deliver exceptional sound quality that transforms my iPad into a personal entertainment hub. Designed with a breathable knit mesh canopy, memory foam ear cushions, and a stainless steel frame, these headphones are as comfortable as they're stylish. The digital crown and dedicated noise control button put customization at my fingertips, allowing me to tailor my listening experience to suit my preferences effortlessly. When it comes to maximizing sound on my iPad, the AirPods Max are truly in a league of their own.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.